Hey girls, it's Jenny, Fun and Perfect, and in today's video, it's a fun one. We're gonna go over all of the leathers, the 4 that are launching tomorrow. Let's discuss. Hey girls, this is a really fun time because our new leather drop is happening tomorrow. It starts tomorrow. It's divided into like 2 parts. I've got a first launch, which is our Audrey, Roxanne, Jaja, and Marigold. That is launching tomorrow, Monday, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm going to take you through all of the variances of them. They are nice and beautifully stacked. I've got Audrey, Roxanne, Jaja, and Marigold. And I have some of them. I'm actually working in 2 of them. And then I kind of filled them up with some of our books and planners just to kind of give them some girth and all that. So let's spin you around and show you each one. Okay, girls, here we are. We have all of the colors that are launching tomorrow. And I wanted to go through each one of them so that you can make your best decision and, you know, you don't have to try to guess and all of that. So I'm going to, again, we have Audrey, Roxanne, Jaja, and Marigold. Let's start with Audrey. I did another video about Audrey because she is actually my current business planner. So Audrey she's pliable. She's pliable, but she's sturdy. And I love that about her. I really, really do. And she is not one of our doubled up leathers because she didn't need to be. Our doubled up leathers, I do to some of them if they are way too thin and I want to give them more structure. So those are going to be a little bit of a higher price point if I have to double up, but it's worth it because they are going to hold up to what they are intended to do. So this was sturdy enough leather. It was beautifully pliable. You know, it had enough sturdiness and structure to it. So this is Audrey. Absolutely stunning, gorgeous. She is a nude blush pink with a sheen. And she should stay pretty true to her coloring, for sure. She's just not going to she's very resistant to scratches and everything else. And absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I use this one for my business. So this is Audrey. This is going to be available also in the wallet. And here's the wallet of Audrey, as you can see. And she's absolutely stunning. Very sophisticated. I mean, I can't even with this. I mean, it's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Very sturdy, gorgeous. The Audrey. Okay, our second one is that I'm going to be showing you is Roxanne. And I'm going to show you her wallet too. Roxanne is gorgeous. She is the exact as our other croc line. So our croc line, we have Yazabel. We have the darker browns. In case you don't know the names, we do have, they're just darker, beautiful browns and a black. And this one is gorgeous in that it is a beautiful red. And it's got actually some dark tones to it. So it's absolutely beautiful. It does have, this is a black elastic because it is matching and coordinating with the pattern on top of it. I really pay very close attention to that kind of design on if I want contrast stitching or not, just to see what will look best, what looks classy enough, and what it's suitable for.
And I really like the black to go with it. I didn't want wide stitching with this. I think that she just stands, it's best that it blends so that it creates a, that she speaks for herself. I will tell you that. Whereas Audrey, I did the white stitching, that contrast with her blank canvas here really just draws attention to her whole overall look. And that's why I did that. Absolutely gorgeous. So she's not doubled up. And this is our Everyday Organized. These will come in all of our styles, most sizes. And here's where that notebook goes. Roxanne is pliable like our other Crocs, yet stands up to being a traveler's notebook and a planner and a journal. It's just something to journal in. It's hearty, delicious, will also stay true to itself, no scratching on it. Smells amazing, and I think you're gonna absolutely love the addition to this to our Croc line. So this is Roxanne, and then here is the beautiful wallet, our everyday wallet. The zipper, pocket, very professionally made. The pockets are lined. They are, it's a gorgeous, like a dark brown swishy fabric. This is for your license. And then this is for your phone. Snap closure. Holds 2 of our planners and journals in size narrow. Adjustable and optional crossbody carry. So you can take that off or on. And it is awesome. If you want to know how to hold your keys, catch my video on what I use, what company I use to complement my planners and journals. I actually have a code, Jenny20, that you can use for this key ring that I think you absolutely love. It's just there's not one style that they have that won't go with one of mine, and it's stunning. So be sure to do that. Oventure, Shop Oventure is the shop's name. Let's go right over to Jaja. Now I'm currently in her, actually. I moved over from Adele. But I like to change out. That's the beauty of the Traveler's Notebook. No boredom here. Not only do your planners change and your journaling changes, which keeps you inspired. Oh, doesn't it? I mean, when you're stuck in something, I feel for a long period of time, I get real bored, because I think we're just looking for that variety, that seasonal change. That's why seasons are so amazing. It's like, just when you're ready to close down summer, you're ready for pumpkins and coffee. It's kind of the same thing with our planning and our planners and the way they look and feel. You want it to be fallish, or you want it to be different. Now, Jaja is stunning. Okay, now I know she's already a fan favorite. People have been anticipating this launch for a long time for probably just Jaja alone. And can you blame them? Because leopard's hot right now. I don't think it's ever been out. I don't know. I've always been a Jaja girl. And if you don't know the backstory, Jaja Gabor is who I named it off of, because I used to just call it Jaja to my girls when I would dress them up when they were little. I'd put them on. I go, "Where's your Jaja coat?" And so my girls actually think, my 3 girls think that leopard is actually called Jaja. I go, "Do you know it's after a woman, right?" You know, they didn't know. So this is Jaja. Now she kind of reminds me of our Hazel. So she's a little bit velvety to the touch. She's a little velvety. She's so smooth, so soft. This one needed to be doubled up, but I like that because now you get the pattern on the inside too. Very much so worth doubling up. It was way too thin when I first got the prototype without it, and I opted for it to be doubled up. Brown elastic, my charm, I put on there. I want you to see how beautiful that is. This is going to be launching this year. Do not have a time, date, day, month. I don't have it just yet, but guaranteed. When I do, I'm letting my girls know, okay? Because this is cute and I love it. And it's just classy and sophisticated. Of course, it's my brand's Daisy. This is, again, the Everyday Organized. We have our spine set up this way to be able to carry books that don't push out and jet out, as you can see. Very sturdy, yet soft and pliable. And as you see when you open this up, just absolutely gorgeous. I will take this out. See how when it's doubled up, you're not seeing any part of the hide at all. You are seeing more jaja, more leopard. It's, again, stunning. Absolutely stunning. I have this in everything and every size. I just can't do without. This leopard will always be a stocked leather. We actually have a snow leopard that's coming out too in 2022. I'm gonna make sure this stays in view. Here is the wallet. My daughter is the one who's actually been modeling this for me, if you've seen images. But here's the wallet. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. I just put some of our books in here so you can see how the journals fit. This is a narrow, very soft. Here you do see the hide because it's okay for the wallet structure. We were able to do that. The lining here has it, so gorgeous. I mean, the brown, beautiful lined pockets. Nothing is unfinished with my products. They are always and will always be professionally and everything accounted for. Pockets. I opted for the wallet to have the white lining. And I really, really love that contrast. With this one, with the TNs, I kept them with the brown stitching to blend in and let that speak for itself. But with this one, I have the white stitching around the wallet, and it's gorgeous. Let's move on. Last but not least, Marigold. Get your hands on this one for fall, girls. This is fall pumpkin spice. Pumpkins and leaves. Okay, this is what this looks like, reminds me of, and is. Okay, so Marigold is gorgeous. She has also contrast stitching here. We've got the matching yellow Marigold on the side, on the back spine, and brown, which is gorgeous and complements the very warm yellow, darker yellow color. Here you can really see all of its glory. Now this leather was also doubled up for its, because it was too thin, which whenever our leather is doubled up, it's only going to be amazing because it just creates a really finished look. Not that unfinished doesn't, but it's worth the price. It just is. As you can see, my new September launch, sunflower looks absolutely stunning in it. Fill it up with our tip-ins, stickers, or whatever you need. This is also in the box. And she's ready for 2022. This holds the notepad, which is signature to our planner, so you can take notes, keep yourself organized. Marigold is very pliable, very soft, and also will show a little bit, but can be buffed out. So if you did, it's hard to scratch her. Also, Jaja will also hold its, all of these leathers are gonna be holding all of their color and who they are. They're gonna stay true to who they are. Same with Marigold. You can see some scratching, but they can be buffed. But she's not gonna really change much. She might lighten or get a little darker, but she's not gonna show wear. Not very easily anyway. And then here's our wallet with the white stitched lining on it. Again, absolutely gorgeous. Very soft and supple Marigold is, you can tell. Just this beautiful leather, absolutely beautiful leather. Perfect for when you're going to the pumpkin patch, okay? And you strap this around you like this. It's all you need, I mean, for on the go. So, absolutely beautiful. I just stuck one of our journals in here so you could see. It holds our journal books. I did brown with this yellow because it's absolutely beautiful together. This is Marigold. Girls, I pray you get the planner of your dreams, the leather that you want. Just know that we will always be ordering these. More will come, but I do have it really fully stocked. I mean, I'm really praying that everyone gets what they want. I made sure of it. So Monday, tomorrow, 1 Central Standard Time. Bye, girls.